Hi guys, just a quick little video here, more like a blog if you will. It's going to be a short, sweet. As everybody is aware, man, we try to do maintenance on these things any chance we get, especially when we're not racing, especially when you have a race tomorrow and you'll be gone on vacation for a few weeks. Anyway, wait till I show you in the video what I found. This is why I stress to myself, anybody else that races, please check your cars every once in a while, because if not, this could happen to you. On with the video. Okay, getting the car ready for racing tomorrow. Yep, check all nuts and bolts. Gotta swap out the tires there. But yeah, no, we're just trying to get ready for racing tomorrow up in Mocan. This is not what you want to see on a Saturday afternoon, what I'm about ready to do. Day before the race. I'll show you what I have to do. Okay, this bolt here, I was doing my checks underneath the car prior before tomorrow's race. Went to put a wrench on this guy, and it just spun the bolt. Pulled the threads right out. So, that leads me to this. I'm gonna have to put a helicoil in it. This is actually on my motor plate, which is probably not a good thing to have this bolt not tightened up. But yeah, luckily I have the drill long enough and it will fit in here. I'll show you. So it does fit here. I'm gonna have to drill through some of the aluminum so I can get the bit in there so I can get to the steel part of it. So yeah, so here we go. Okay, got it all drilled out. The threads are gone. Don't think I'm gonna go any further than that. About how far that bolt will go back anyway, but I'll put the bolt in there just to make sure it doesn't bottom out on the back side of it. Okay, get ready to tap it and just use some cutting tool lubricant while you're tapping these threads. So I'll put some on the end of here. That helps get the shavings out and makes the cut a little bit better. So here we go. Okay, got the threads in there. Now we get ready to get the helicoil put in. So we just kind of screw that in. Okay. There, you can see the helicoil that's in there. So now we'll check to see if the bolt goes in there. Okay, the bolt goes right in. Now we just tighten it up. Good as new. There we go. This is why you have to do checks on these things all the time. If you don't do checks like this, things like that could become unnoticed, then it could cause a bigger issue down the road. So anyway, hopefully you got something out of this. Quick little blog here everywhere, if you will, on how to maintain your race car, or at least check things over, make sure things are good and tight. So anyway, got a race coming up here tomorrow, so I'm lucky I found this stuff today. Anyway, with that, hey, hit the subscribe button. Like what you see, hit the like button. And if you want to, hit that little bell. Alerts you when a new video comes out. Anyway, with that, I'm out of here until race day tomorrow in Mocan. Thanks for watching. Bye. Let's see how this camera shot looks. Hope it looks good. Gonna put the car in the trailer. Get ready to go up to Mocan. Okay, a little pump of gas. Ignition, fuel.